iPhone 16 Plus. I mean, I can always cut it out. It's a big phone. Wow.
Apple bands right here?
Yes. iPhone 16 Plus. Brand new. First iPhone 16 Plus in town. The first iPhone 16 Plus in town.
Is it?
I don't know. I'm asking you. Is it?
I don't know.
You need the case?
We got my son one as well.
This one.
Oh.
I don't know why. He's 12 years old. He's probably gonna break it, but oh well. I guess.
Enjoy it while you can.
I just know if I don't get a case, I'll break mine. So I'm terrible about breaking phones. And these clips. That's the worst thing. I should own stock in those clips. What I should do.
$19.95. There you go.
All right.
43.76.
Good camera, huh?
Yeah,
Nice.
Zoom's good too.
Zoom good too.
That's what they updated
It's a setting.
Can you sign this for me, please?
Oh, damn, I need my watch.
Oh, you need a band? Okay.
Yeah, I'll go right there. I'll have to ask for it.
Okay.
That's a version 18.0.
Yeah, they already come with it.
Yeah, 128 gigs. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
iPhone 16 Plus.
How do you flip phone?